Hi, so we're on our way to Riverdale Farm. And someone's kind of grumpy. Say hi.
I'm tired.
You're tired? Say we're going to the farm.
We're going to the farm. That way's fine.
Riverdale Farm is a working farm located in Toronto's Cabbagetown.
Here we are. It's so beautiful here. Where'd she go? She's so fast.
I'm Riley.
Oh, hi. Nice to meet you. I love your shoes. High five.
Yeah. Look at this sign.
Caution, cows may butt. Bunny. Where's he a guinea pig? No, he's a bunny.
There he is. Oh.
Yeah. And
At least they're outside.
Well, what did you see at the farm? Rhubarb?
So far we haven't really seen any animals, but definitely found some rhubarb.
Seem to be missing.
I like that they have this sign, but there's like actually no, I don't know where the animals are. It's been like an animal apocalypse.
see.
Oh, look over here. Come over here.
We found an animal at the farm.
It's like, where's all the animals? Huge. Oh, look at it. It's a sheep butt. Hey, sheepy. Look at this guy right there.
Hi, sheep.
Hi, sheep.
Yay.
Oh, there they all are. Oh, he's beautiful.
So happy. Look at his tail swishing.
There's another horsey.
No, it's a goat, baby. Oh, there's a chicken. I'm obsessed with this one goat. He's just like, hey. Hey, oh.
He knows.
Oh.
He knows how Venus does not.
Hey, you're coming over here to say hello? Hey, buddy. Gobble, gobble, gobble. What's your turkey sound, Jay? What is that again?
Careful your fingers. He'll bite them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, oh, he made a sound. Oh, he's so cute. This one's very muddy. Look at this. Look at his wiggly tail.
He's very happy.
I don't think I've ever seen a pig wag their tail so much.
Pretty happy. He's got fresh mud all over him and a fresh.
He's so cute.
Oink.
Look at this goat. Oh my.
Say hi, little goat. Look, he's a little goat.
He's like a Dumbo goat.
Look at his ears. They're so long.
It's the Three Stooges over here. That's funny. There's a duck right over here. Chicken's like making a nest.
Mommy.
Let me kick some more of this up.
Oh, here we go. That's so funny.
Mommy.
Look how cute the baby is. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Hi-ya!
And then it was time to go get some awesome homemade ice cream.
Come on, hold Mommy's hand.
Let's go to the ice cream shop.
Oh, chocolate. Say thank you. Pistachio.
Thank you so much.
Also pistachio. Can I try your chocolate?
I don't think anybody has enjoyed ice cream as much as you are enjoying.
That's a big bite of ice cream.
What's so funny?
What's so
You're
funny?
adorable.
You're a comedian.
I got ice cream on my knee.
Do you want me to clean it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You got like most of it on you.
Is that better? That's good stuff.